Don't go away, great man. Mind your own business there for heaven. I don't know what people for here no go ever be on their own. No. Ha! God see me. You.
Fine girl. Hey. Sweet papa. Just make me agree me. Agree me. You don't go regret them. I will take good care of you. For this compound, we will live in peace. After all, I'm maybe long one. The way you want, that's what they give you. Maybe I fit even marry you, sir. You know, we never even tell. Just agree with me.
What is all this nonsense? When you and this Dr. Christian, okay? Be like say me, I will go check woman myself. Come get girlfriend. So that I go stop the depend on this boy, Dr. P. If I depend on this boy now, I feel die virginal. Go check woman. Gather moral. Don't be me again. I know say I no fine no. But I know say I sharp. I know say I sharp. Am I not a fine boy? I'm a fine boy.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Even a tiny on a beacon way. Organ landlord, what will be your problem?
Excuse me.
Excuse me now.
Yeah, you got me blow my mind, blow my mind. Blow my mind. Please, no verse. I want to talk to you. I want to express my feelings. I like you.
Wait, oh, let me make you the road follow me. Like go to me say he meets road.
No worries. My name now.
Hey, hold on. I don't want to see here. Hey, should no get size. What the bicycle they find for filling station?
Who be the filling station?
Not me now. We be level.
I'll buy you. I'll for you. I'll buy you now. Yeah? What? Nothing there. See, make I tell you, forget my size, oh. I big for here. You understand? I like you. I say make you don't know. No matter now. I like it now. I like it in them.
You get luck say I dey for good mood today. What did I for do you?
But
if like now say my shoe dey for up now.
I'll bring ladder. Very simple.
If check for now, what life now? They say make go repair. You don't get use. Even if you climb me like you don't have. Then you won't start from now.
Maybe I'll manage.
But we still get use past you because he go still clean ground. You don't get use. Hey! Maybe you're on a freaky for you. Eh? You see my own? Your bank alarm must be bagger. Your check no go bounce. Your bank alarm must be bagger. Freaky for you. Now love I go chop.
This one now occupy till I come. Eh? Wow. This one must occupy me, in fact. If I know they fear. I know they fear. Maintain. This girl woman.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Even a tiny on a beacon way. Organ landlord, what will be your problem? Organ landlord, I got buffalo you. Iyo.
Come here. Drive fast, may not be saying my customer will come and
Just 15 naira.
Customer, don't tell.
You don't be smart. Now your eye be this.
Oh, man, I'm eye you.
I dey call you now. Your children they do you sometimes.
How much?
Give me 15 naira.
If you my customer, I do you.
Thank you. Madam, I don't like this onions. Give me my money. I don't want to buy it. I know that, but I don't like this particular one. How you say something like this? Give me. Only you say the onions for market.
Madam,
give me my money.
buy return on the my shop.
Madam, how they shop for me for my money? Now they shop for me. Give me my money.
Madam, 15 naira buy you.
Yes, now I need the money back.
You see this
my 15 naira. You collect your onions.
I know they buy return on the my
I
shop.
say you must give me my money or they go look us. Give me.
See this shop where go around like this. Nothing like buy return.
Nothing like buy return.
Nothing like buy return.
For this
Get the
market.
onions go. I know they give you back the money.
Give me my money.
Now the money you want for
You
them.
must give me the money.
Take this money. You know the shit. Give my onion. Start your day.
See, you
Now all onions 15 naira. Now you feel what I come market come buy.
see the
Buy
yellow
return.
papa. As you find, you should say onions. Yellow papa.
My life better now.
Hey!
I got nothing
I'm
that
the
they
one
do.
that painting. There she is.
Say your yes.
I want for here.
Nah, nah,
I don't
you
say
say
you
no.
never said anything for this market. I know.
See my money.
Yeah, your money
Hey, you know the shame.
Shame for it.
Say you big rich. Only one thing carry come market. Now 15 naira.
I buy
And
and
you
go
buy
collect
and
them
return.
back. I don't say this market.
Come
You
on,
won't
my
go
shop.
get anything.
Carry my luck, one for
Don't
shop.
go.
Joshua, okay? You know why I call you?
No, sir.
Now you be my oldest tenant for that my compound.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You don't tell why they tell them to pack out. They no grey pack out. Because of that, the other days I come there, then they fight, they want kill me.
Yeah, I did aware, sir. I did aware.
Now, you go tell them, say, landlord, say, make everybody pack out. That me, I dey give them 2 weeks to pack out. If they no pack out, anything where they see, make it, they take them like that. You dey hear me, ba?
Okay, sir.
In fact, I go come with the squad. We go wipe all of them away.
Okay.
The car squad will carry they come. No operation, wipe off.
Okay, sir.
All of them will go. You hear what I talk?
Yes, sir.
To go tell them.
Landlord, you know, sir, I saw these things they happen. Me, I know. But I want to ask whether I did involved.
But no. You how you go dey involved? If you dey involved, I no go send you.
Okay, sir.
I know your own case dey different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You know they among them. Me wey even dey plan to make you caretaker now.
Thank you,
You
sir.
know the people who I mean. Now?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
know
sir.
the bad people.
Yes, sir.
Na them.
Okay, sir.
Make you just go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wow, can't be this one. Every time fight. I go give order. They no go keep to my order. So what? And then build the house for me. I mean they know how I make money build that house.
Eva, why you do it? This way they do, you know good. See, make I tell you something. I won't make you give me small. That's the way they give Ogana Lord. If they hungry me too, make I tell you. You know they say, Dr. P, my friend. You know they say me for the company. You need a wonderful man like me, sexy. I can take care of you. I'm wonderful. See, make I tell you something. Forget that man. Come to me. You see this hair where you do now. So I'll buy you woman hair. See your makeup, you don't dey fade. I'll buy the one where suit you. See your eye. I'll buy the one where go long more. And forget the slippers where I wear. I dey like dey free, make I dey walk. I'm a very suitable man for you. Adam sharp. Adam okay. You understand? Leave that man. Follow me.
See, you know fee pay my house rent. Now Ghana Lord they take care of me. You know go feed one.
No, don't talk like that. Make I tell you. Okay, they think say if me and you they begin they do something now. Your Ghana Lord they go pursue you for house. Leave that one.
I know fit.
Leave that one. Now when they give Ogala Lord babes. Now when they arrange something for Ogala Lord. You don't know Abi. You don't know me.
You mean now?
Yeah.
Tell me to not treat it all.
Natural.
If not
Leave that one. If I just arrange one or two, Ogala Lord will just mail. You don't know.
If not that one, we go do something. We go no sit down for you. No say Ghana Lord cash us now. Wahala o.
Move down tomorrow.
No, come tomorrow. I go think about them. Yeah, beg. More go think am.
Come here.
Give you.
I use manage.
See, just touch here. So,
yeah.
Touch here. Okay, tomorrow, yeah? I don't do now. Wait, see.
Let me use it and wash.
Wait, don't do. Shoot. It's like better see tomorrow. I should
never do you. Just imagine myself last time I do this.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Even a tiny on a beacon way. Oga landlord, what will be your problem?
Madam, I beg your NEPA bill plus toilet allowance.
Show me toilet allowance again.
Now make it look like this. No, nothing be toilet allowance. Have you not understand English? We need 200 naira for toilet allowance, 1,000 naira for NEPA bill. 1,200.
Make I ask you question. You know the shit.
No, you know the chop. You know the shit. You.
Why if they say I could just pay people shit money? How many times I know the shit for this compound?
Because I mean, if you know what you carry for your stomach now, they tell you say I don't pay my own.
Where your money? Because I don't see money for you.
All of you are for this compound. You give me headache.
Not because I don't pay the money.
If you say you want part come out for this compound, although landlord don't talk am, you go follow for the people who go part come out for this compound because your own problem dey too much. I beg you do make it. See now na money they don't come out go work. I beg give me money make I come out.
Okay, go now.
Take it this the comb that to your head make you no enter my mouth. I don't know how many person wey dey carry this to go sleep with.
No go marry. No go marry.
This time to marry somebody like you.
You no fit sef. You no fit.
No, let's see
You
woman.
no fit.
You no aspire. Come there here.
You fit pay your own.
Pay wetin? I don't pay my own and I even pay for person.
No for this quick. What?
Come on.
Go pay that one. I go pay you. You come pay the house. No. Which one I won't pay?
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Even a tiny on a beacon way. Oga landlord, what will be your problem? Oga landlord, I got buffalo you.
Ogolo.
Joshua, now waiting. I beg. Just you know, if they discover, you say people that allow me sleep on night. Waiting the other ones.
I don't give you. No be Ogolo they look for.
You see Ogolo for here. You dey call Ogolo. You don't see human being where you go ask whether Ogolo dey Ogolo.
Now you be Ogolo.
My friend talk. Wait.
I beg give me toilet allowance and the NEPA bill 1,000 naira. And the una own dey too much. The toilet allowance go dey too. Plus NEPA bill too. Now 2,400 naira.
Joshua, which one be toilet allowance?
You don't understand English. You know what be toilet allowance?
Since when we begin to do that one for this compound? And for this NEPA bill, we never pay.
Pay wetin? Now who una pay to?
Ogolo never pay you.
Ogo, pay wetin?
He never pay.
You dey ask me. If I come dey ask for Ogolo again.
Wait, now when Ogolo call, you go collect am. No come dey disturb me this morning. I beg.
No problem. I don't even blame you. Now Ogolo now I blame. See, Papa man like you, where Ogolo carry come keep for here. You know they do even do anything. Now only to the shit. See that shit where they you better say now you shit am.
You are hold am for there. Wetin dey worry you? Wetin be your problem? You don't come find Ogolo. I tell you say Ogolo no dey. You ask for NEPA bill. I tell you say Ogolo don't pay. You say toilet allowance. I say I don't know that one. Go make I sleep. Wetin be your own?
You don't fit pay.
Wait o. Who you be for this compound?
Me? You don't know me?
Yes, who you be?
Now me be senior caretaker for this compound.
Senior caretaker for compound. Now you never fit take care of your useless baby. See as he be like far away lost in way after rain beat am, idiot.
I like him.
You like am?
Yes.
See, make I warn you. You know this butterfly where they think say because him dey fly, him be bird. Two of us, all of us na the same. We dey the same level for this compound. So you no get right to come here, come dey shout for me when I dey sleep. They tell me say, Ogolo never be. You no get any right. You are worse than I am, sir. Because like say you get money now, because you know people pay your rent. Now you go meet landlord. They beg am. Oga beg make they run an errand for you. They go message the Swiss compound for you. Make therefore they call me caretaker. It is I don't know.
See?
It is I don't know.
Now you. That talk now you get am. I dey pay for that my apartment.
Shut up, my friend. You dey pay now you become the caretaker.
Now because I be good caretaker. Now I make and the good tenant. Now I make landlord come give me caretaker, senior caretaker.
See, make I tell you, I advise you as a brother, return to the village. You still get papa and mama. If you don't feel parent, return, please. No come they disturb me for my sleep.
I don't blame you. See, look at you. Papa like you.
See, come.
If I get this job, what do you worry this boy? What do you worry this boy?
Person no go rest. If you talk anything, I go kill you for this compound. I am a frustrated soul. I don't pay for rent. I don't get work. I be devil workshop because person don't get work na devil workshop. Even if you arrest me after I kill you, nobody go still pay me. Ogolo no go pay me. You go still come pay me. I be like that church where they wish me that time go pay me. Rubbish. I be like the one where fast don't know one go marry. Who go pay me? Talk any other I go kill for this compound. Same person no go fit sleep. Rest person no go fit rest. What's that going for now? Rubbish. Make I see you again for this domot. Get nonsense for this compound. Sleep around sleep all night. For money make I sleep for front of this place. This is you go there say me Joseph go go the sun. Make I see in level. If thunder no fire you, come here no papa. Idiot. I no even feel sleeping.
Madam, you go back?
No, I go take this one water. You blind, you know they see Abi.
Let me like that. I go knock your door. I don't say you go bath.
What's your friend for my door?
Go to collect a NEPA bill plus toilet allowance.
NEPA bill. Toilet allowance. When that one start now?
Now me they collect and now you know they pay NEPA bill.
Hey, bless you, you don't know my matter about this compound though. Say na me be the original caretaker. Go ask Oga landlord. Tell her say I don't pay.
You dey drag caretaker with me.
Hey.
For where I dey collect NEPA bill plus toilet allowance, you don't already go pay to landlord.
Bless you, you don't know why I do for this compound. They collect. Come collect.
Omini visitor. Hey, Chineke, who know what you carry pay? Nah, whether that this year shall be na wait. You know what keep person for this compound though. Hey! 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 Huh?
Oga, where the thief?
Not the thief! That's the way I read for this place. Drop your own.
What do you mean?
Come make I show you now.
They don't say yours.
No! I see for this place now, see say Ebonyi State don't turn to small London. See the road though. See the kind of flyover where they there.
Everybody say,
See everything. See the road. See the school. See hospital. See
Oga landlord, when I go Ebonyi State, I dey for bus close eye. Before I know it, we don't reach. I go dey ask whether na plane will enter because all the road clean, everywhere sharp. Hi. That one is too much.
You know, na Ekobaroha na they call it. Ekobaroha as in wealth na for everybody.
Na true.
Oga landlord, e be like say I go there, go stay.
Oh, now that why they talk. Me, I don't take benefit already from there. Hey, you don't have the best one of them, man.
I don't know.
Oh, how what you know, that Lord?
You can't pretend.
The only thing you know now, women.
Shut up, your mouth. Shut up. What thing be that? Now insult be this so.
Who be insult now?
You women, you don't like women. But now don't insult me here because Nuna they plan them, Nuna they bring them. You go swear say you know they do. You do pass me sir.
They do what?
You now you be do.
You know they do. And I do one I don't do finish now they even.
No, we dey give original. No go there. No go there. Now original.
You know the thing what happen. Now be say if person go stay for Ebonyi State,
Eh? You know, say as Ebonyi State dey near Cameroon. Maybe before you know it, they don't turn to Cameroon, or they go become their own nation. It's good you go there, you nationalize now.
You will just enter Obodo Oyibo. Cameroon no Obodo Oyibo now.
What we go do? We will come out from Nigeria, enter Ebonyi State, nationalize, enter Ebonyi State.
Now we go do.
You know better than talk.
I beg you, no vessel. Una dey confuse me here. Wait, Ebonyi State no be Nigeria?
It be, but the way things they go now. You know they like Nigeria. I make we talk say he no be Nigeria. They make we enter because we go nationalize there.
Oga, see, make I suggest. You see this your house now. We need to sell it. Carry the money go Ebonyi State. Then I won't make her be your first son. This one will be your last son. You don't say last son, them they do they grow.
No man, see, shut up, Agidi. Thunder when they go South Africa, make it revive.
Wait, we may not know quarrel.
How this possible?
Since where I know you, now today, you talk with that thing. We go say this house. Carry the money, go establish for Ebonyi. Go establish for there. From there we go nationalize.
If you open this shop for me.
Anytime wait you go carry us come here again. If we go carry visa come.
Don't forget to open shop for me, but there.
And don't forget say we last born.
I go open.
Yes,
Hey, good. So, I don't know.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, things go better.
You know, I said before, they call you Agidina Guru. But because of this thing where you talk today, good thing where you talk, suggestion, from today, you be Agidi and Pepesu.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Ewu na tini on a beacon way. Oga landlord.
Now what is that?
This one where I do now, like
how?
This thing go me and
Yeah.
All this with the run, imagine they follow person. Walk.
Come here.
Job improvement. Job employment. Job there inside. Job there that side.
Oh, job there that side. What are you waiting for?
Hey! Job there. So, at the reason I make her for go there, go find work. Plus all this one with me and you there, they put women.
Oh, women, never. They follow you.
I don't say that why I go live. See, we do here, they roast, they wait, they boost, they kill. Work as good that side. This is my problem. Why do you
Maybe just rest here small.
Oh, yeah, no, if it was come to work, you ask for or maybe I'll go look.
When you miss the trouble, and
Bobby, see my new crush. See as if oh, forget that way they look like this. The other day when I see them, if you see where they for 500 million naira. Oh my babe, these people bad. They get bastard money. Check them well now. You must check them. I don't know.
You sure say no be these people, man? Not them now.
Them be who and who. What is your problem? Why they like shoot eye for my matter like this now? You see people who I don't find, I don't gather mine like this. See, go meet millionaires. Now you want to see friendship no go that matter. As a friendship no just go that side. No just try and as not try me because me and you we go naked if you just try go that side. I give me my phone.
Hey! When you see these people, how they look, just how they be.
I don't Jones. These people don't shop me. Hi. I don't Jones. These people don't shop me. Hi.
That one may you say you talk long. I mean, governor.
Kikin. The other one are Dangote relation.
Now my compound now they stay with 5. I mean, 5 people. Now they stay. If they come out, go under the month. Go change their slippers. You go wear them. You go come out. You go even get luck. Say he never say this thing where you carry with this cloth. You go get luck because see that they don't go use and package themselves.
Babe, you my checker now. See the package now. So as a package like this, I can't Jones. Hi. Oh.
Wait, they never Jones you finish you. Just shine your shine.
No, they talk this thing. Now you man, my friend, you be. See this are they don't already break up. You are work on joy for the heartbreak. But now if I don't date them, I'm sorry now.
Yeah, don't break finish now. And you see me so, I don't want to cross on anybody. I don't want to get you cross alone.
When you miss the trouble, then wahala. What do you expect?
Send me when now. Why you gonna leave me all this summer? Send me when now.
And they say restaurant for you. Yeah, there's someone that say restaurant. So you're blind. You don't see the onions that they sell for you. Come off my shop.
Madam, you know those people they respect you for this.
Hey! People they fear you. I be person. I know they fear anybody. Oh yeah, before I open, close. You don't come from my shop here.
Oh yeah, madam, sell onions for me. Since you know they hear the one what is. You don't go.
Hey! Now maybe that I get a check it. Thank God say you don't come. You see this thing? She don't insult me since. I better say I got that time for us. Deal with them. Check it. Beat them where? I tell you.
I don't get that kind of strength. I don't get that kind of strength. I come here come for them money, I go shop. I don't come here come fight anybody.
Hey!
I beg you, money, I go shop.
Which one? So that me go there this market. They suffer. They sell. Give you. Oh, yeah.
Madam, give her money now. You want me to begin that? Give her money. Hey, I beg. They come and begin.
Shut up, your man. Shut up, your man. You don't be fighter. You sell money for
I carry my cross, yeah? Give me my money.
I go carry my cross, but I go feed myself. You go feed yourself. Come over here. As you you big. No, I made a mistake. As you small like this, so nothing pacific take you do. You are just good. You are for nothing. If I put good and good English, you are for nothing. Nothing passive. Pepper, maggi, salt, onion, nothing. And then come my shop.
No problem. You don't give me any money. I will sit down here and wait for customer. If customer don't come, buy for onions. Me, I will collect my money. Go shop. Pure.
Hey, they begin to sit down for my shop. Where go?
Come, who Jesus they call this morning? They don't money.
I can't even 2 o'clock with this one now. Why do you let person sleep?
Wait they know the break. Where is the smoke yet?
Maybe you go disturb everybody.
Now intentional, now you wake up us. Intentional, you wake us up.
If you want peace, you want Dr. P. You don't blame me.
You sleep your sleep.
Come, Aunt, I know say no get head for sleep. Allow us human beings to sleep, I think. Now who sleep they sweet, now they snow. You where they complain, go marry you. May no come here, join us, follow the sleep for December. Still they complain. So I don't want to.
I won't sleep.
Hey, house.
Aunt, sleep! What did they worry you? Sleep! I don't say no get head for sleep. sleep. You don't allow man be wake up make they sleep.
You don't do neighbors to they sleep.
I don't tire.
Wake up!
Ah, you shut up. Shut up and lie down.
But if I hear that wake up, especially Jesus is calling you, I will send you to hell myself personally. Because I know say people like you no go ever see Jesus.
Remember saying that you nine landlord say you go conduct exercise.
And me I go market tomorrow.
Oh!
I know I'm jobless, but I'm a very busy person.
Control your sleep for you. Control your members for sleep.
Oh, mind yourself. Now sleep where they sleep. Sweet, now they sleep.
I get community. Oh! Wow.
Oh, God, don't to talk to me, I beg. No, I know I'm jobless, but I know my rights. No be my fault. When I beg you, say I want sleep for your house, you know interview me whether there's snow or not. You carry me, you know say I go sleep. You carry me come house. Snow na best way they sweet. Now they snow. Did you interview me whether they sleep or if I they sleep whether they snow?
Wow.
So how that one they be my problem now? Won't that change? I beg.
I'm tired of sitting here. Eh? Every time we've just been hanging around, staying here, looking for this chingom, but don't take me to your house. So that at least we'll run package, run everything together. This will go to slow well.
You know well, your head no correct. What made me carry go my compound when I lie your food? No even bring that up. No try am.
I don't understand you. Are you hiding anything from me? So why are you stressing my life like this? When you know you're not going to help me, if you could have allowed me, JJ, so that I will continue with my lesson stuff. Then you just brought me out and why you did me like this? What did I do to you?
You dey talk anyhow. Not be the small tone that they help you until you see that they also small. Now you see they wear clothes, they do hair, they do everything. Eh? See ma tell you, my advice here. We go sit down here, we go dey get small thing. No people my compound, no, not with that compound.
Now clothes I go.
You see that compound, you go suffer. See, sit down here. See, they show them. You know they show them. They say your market. You dey here, you sit down there.
They show them now. Forget that thing. You just piss me off. After doing this now, we just go and hang up. Why now? Eh?
See, ma tell you, ma advise you. Family know their business, oh. Who sister, brother, no deal. Ma tell you. See now, my toto dey fuck, oh. Not be your toto. Na my business. Not be your business. See, ma just tell you. Better they all do your own. You can't manage. Carry you come here, they get small package. They mumu. No, you enjoy yourself.
Forget that thing. Every time you dey shout, madam, toto, this, Now new thing, not be new thing. If you don't carry me to your house, keep am. Keep your house, keep am.
I go keep am on my house. Now my contract with that one. Then I'm my own client. Go find your client when you go. They go in your house.
When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is a disease, yo. No time to check time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wait from dream. I want
Hey!
I will call you later.
Hey, no. Call them later, I better. You better say you call them later, because I come here make I warn you.
Warn you?
Yes. No. Look at you. You see that girl where you always, every time, you go to press the girl like bread. You go to rough handle the girl like saying I'm supposed to kill me. Leave that girl alone. Do you hear me? Leave her alone. She's not your mate. Huh? Why are you walking up and down? The other day I saw you, the way you're carrying the girl, like
wait, I don't understand what you talk. I don't understand. Come, wait, Agidi, you don't the golo, you don't the mad, you don't the crazy.
I come here and make I tell you, say make you leave that girl, she don't marry. What's her name again? Eva. Leave her alone, she don't marry. I don't tell you. And next time I come here,
Shut up. Don't get out of my face.
I don't tell you.
Agidi,
Okay, you will know.
You know what?
You will know.
What is your business? Okay.
You know my business, Daddy. You know.
Wait, ask you. Why you dey drink Panadol for another man's headache?
Because the headache they worry me.
They worry you.
They worry me.
They worry you.
I am go. Who drink that?
Hey, come on.
Move, come on, Daddy. Move on. Move on. Oh.
Whether they call, whether Agidi na golo.
I don't tell you.
Start in there like
Where you go start, I don't tell you.
Nothing go happen. I beg.
Nothing go happen,
Go. Nothing. You no go do anything.
What is that? You know they like use eyes, see young.
No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wake from dream. I want to jolly.
I want to collect money. I want to go shop. I'm hungry.
You give money when I give for you. You go back come out for house. Come here, come they ask me money. What go on at the house?
I'm hungry. I want to go shop. You come out for house. Come out. What I go do? And I leave only me for house. I want to go shop. I'm hungry.
You want to go shop? Instead of you come still cost more effort every year. Come help me. They grind. So that go fit make money. Now to go collect the water hustle. You no go work. Come on, come over here.
Not your work. I want to collect money. I want to work.
Now my work. So when I work finish, I don't use and give you food. Come on, for move for here.
Give me money. I go carry son of my money.
Come over here. Which money? I don't got money to give you.
No, give me.
Give me what? Hey, Lele.
I don't let go. Come on, give me.
See, now I tell you. That onion say they carry go. If I come down, I don't see the complete. Come down, go find the two press up. See this one. I'm gonna go and suffer. They use and feed you.
No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wake from dream. I want to jolly. No be for let's see.
We dey see say I will clear. Like you and landlord, they parade on myself like president and governor everywhere. But that one no be my business. No be that one they even pepper me. Don't when they pepper me, be say, you saw the rooms, toilet, kitchen, a bathroom with the here. What I know there. And that one then the warriors. I don't know because me, everybody go they carry bucket. They follow each other for yash. They go use that pit toilet, and I don't know who carry sickness, HIV or what did go Goronia. I don't know who carry. I don't want to carry am. I don't want to carry. So that one they pepper me here where I stand. I don't know for them. You, what are they?
Me, I don't tire. I know they rush you.
What are they?
Shishi, you know they even come out.
You, what are they?
The thunder no fire you for the idiots. Yeah. Not be me and you dey the same house. They ask me that yeah question. I bet if you know waiting carry you come here, talk and make you come up for you.
I bet you come. Malam, what are they? Wallahi, since me if I can come for this compound, I never patient water for here. Now outside, I dey go the patient water. Oga Mr. P, why are they looking for me like this? And now waiting I do am for you.
Man, no pinch you today.
Man, I go dagger you for here. I dey talk, I dey tell me say pinch me. I be mosquito. I dey look for me like this. I pay my house rent for me. No porobo come for me, pa.
See, you where they worry, they say what time they rush. Me, my own no they rush. Have you not see this two drum where they here? Have you not they see me every morning why they go they fetch water they put inside this drum? The only messenger where I be now see talk and give me now so I can't tell you now.
That one not concern also.
So why you come the open mouth they talk about for where I did? They cost me.
See, you for now your fault. Carry me join with things. This one animal, this one ghost. I don't know.
I beg me, I don't tire.
See this.
See, now you are the blame. See that I shall take over where they see. Now be the original caretaker for landlord body. Maybe this thing where landlord they take sweep compound. It say in get power for this compound. Now that you for meet me, for go meet that girl. On how we complain, give that girl. As they landlord go do anything where she talk.
I don't blame you. Now me they cause. Me will be your caretaker. You dey cause.
I dey come my break my bucket, my fetch for your two drum.
If I see your leg here, talk more of your hand touching this drum.
I dey come.
Now you are. Now your fault.
I dey
You don't see that.
with me. If I no get today, you no get sense. You say you no get sense. You just stop from up to down. Year zero, nothing. It's not she dey go so. She better pass you. She dey make use of and where.
You see me from head to toe. Waiting be your real work, self. This business we say they go. I hope say no be toto.
Me.
Do make you work out they go your real business.
My own better. I dey sell onions. You nothing. Zero. Complete. What is now all go like pity no be you. As you dey.
I go. Onions. I don't want that. See what in where onions now they from buy this one. Onions now from they buy all those things where they even that week where they wear now on onions. Congratulations, Mrs. Onions. Go and sell your later. Go sell your onions. I forgot to make that. If you do now, Jobless. You no reach me for anything.
I dey sell onions.
If
I get my spot.
If Nanya shall get time, I get time.
Hey! You get here. You know you can get work.
I don't want to do one. If last time I want to do one, I will not build this house. Yes! You don't say they pay.
You don't find anything.
And there is Alpha.
If you find one politician or one of these people when they do one, they go carry you.
And then they toast me, I don't agree.
They don't be toast.
Unlike you when nobody they toast. Marriage, you don't go fit. Get boyfriend. We never see one human being for this compound they can't look for you. Nothing. And you are not ashamed. The only thing you do now to go hotel. Go there. Onions.
I don't do like onions.
What do they do?
Let me tell you, man, there's something when you bless you.
I shall walk.
If my man like you, now I can be fine. I for don't marry.
What do you expect, you? Laziness is so disease, you. No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wait from dream. I want to jolly, you. No be for lazy people. Ghana Bujunte, Aguye, young man.
Now, we don't pass money. Change song.
Okay, nothing. I can't travel. I can't travel.
After what? Bring another one.
Okay. Crucify the behind us.
What are you crucifying?
Now, better song.
No crucify Jesus. Sing another one.
Okay. Take a serious.
Ebube don't like bra. Ebube.
This is the original.
Ebube lip brand on it. Ebube don't like bra.
Ebube.
Allah. No be Dr. P and Agidi with this.
I be you blind? You know see the way they pass, you dey ask me. No, now my grandfather they passed.
Me and they ask now because which time they come turn to prophet where they come they carry big Bible like this. Ha.
No. Now money they find, now me they find or come they waka. You see them when they pass, so you not stop them when you ask them. They ask me. What's the way you know who wear your hijab self? You come they open body, you they drag market with me.
See that matter. No talk to me like that though. You wear your show this pinny, why you don't wear hijab? Why you don't wear them?
Now where they also? You go not die if you try am. Don't they try for your place so you go die. You don't even try am. I don't tell you.
Me too, I want hustle. That hustle where they do everybody you get plenty money. I want hustle too. I go hustle.
You know go for your boyfriend. You there they stand with me.
It concern you.
See now me get this village just they come out for you. Just they come out.
The matter no concern you. Me I go hustle.
See you
tomorrow. Me I go market. Me I go buy that small one where they wear. Where they do that. I go buy for breast. Me I go hustle.
You don't go free.
I go hustle.
See you. This one, won't come this village. Don't come chance me. Don't know. No say no. It's your dad. Only one. You don't be carrying am. Can you not try man selling?
Wahala, what do you expect, you? Laziness is so disease, you. No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wait from dream. I want to jolly, you. No be for lazy people. Ghana.
Give your life to God. Make sure you accentuate your life to God. Make sure you revibrate your life to God. You must be purified. You must be exemplified. You must be pure in the spirit. Tomata repo.
Hey, are you know the two guys I saw the other day, the governor's son and the Dangote relation?
Now true, we are the one, but we've been the lie. We were in the world that time. Now we are born
so
again.
You are born again now.
Filled with the spirit of God.
Go, let me prophesy on you. I'm seeing something on your head.
Leave no papa.
Leave that one. Leave Rabba, leave Rabba. Rabba, no do this one.
Okay.
I'm seeing something on your head, madam. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I'm seeing death upon your head.
Ew.
No be that.
I am saying greatness in your life.
Yes, greatness.
You are born great.
Yes, sir.
You are supposed to be great.
Yes.
As I say, you are supposed to be in America. But your sin is a hindrance. We have to deliver you.
In the house.
Let's
go
go
to the
home.
church.
We will deliver you.
Home church.
As the Spirit leads.
Let's be
Move it out.
Move it out.
When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is so disease you.
No time to take time. If we like to party, say fool forever. Wake from dream.
Wait, oh, can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka. When trouble run, come meet Wahala, brother.
Charlie, oh, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Eunatini on a beacon way. Oga landlord, waiting be your problem. Oga landlord, I got buffalo you. When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is a disease you.
No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wake from dream.
I want to jolly you. No be for lazy people. Ngana bujunte aguye kuye yamana. When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is a disease you.
No time to take time. If you like to party, say fool forever. Wake from dream.
Wait, oh, can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka. When trouble run, come meet Wahala, brother.
Charlie, oh, the house is on fire.
Avoidance
Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Eunatini on a beacon way. Oga landlord, waiting be your problem. Oga landlord, I got buffalo you.